Hello, today we will discuss setting up the repair and maintenance notes for your properties and units. This will help your team with ongoing management, as well as be necessary if you wish to use the SMART program to manage your repairs for your properties. First, click Properties, then choose the Maintenance badge under the property you'd like to set up. Now, set your thresholds. For your standard threshold, we recommend 150, which means you will need to approve of all repair and maintenance requests above 150, but if it's under 150, we can take care of it on our own. Then choose your emergency threshold. This is for such things as after-hours emergencies that may happen in the middle of the night that have to be taken care of immediately or we can't get a hold of you. There's an article here you can read about this further. Now add any notes that would be helpful for us to do the management for your properties. For example, you might say there are spare parts in the garage, extra paint in the shed, the furnace needs to be inspected every 2 years, or anything else that could be helpful for our team to do maintenance and repairs, as well as your team. Thank you.